And hello my friends, this time without touching the controller is the z908 Pro. Yes, it's not the Max. The Max has brushless, this has brush motors, but this drone, like the S1S, is great. This drone is great. Look at it, very stable, like a rock. Once again, my drones are all stable like a rock. So cool this drone, man. The camera goes not 90 but 110. Yeah, it goes up, look. Oh, look at that. You see? Very cool. And the sensor, the infrared sensor, actually is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. I'm gonna test a little bit. Look, it's already testing at night. It doesn't go. Well, this filming and having the drone is not good. But well, I wanted to show the optical flow. At night is more difficult because this is artificial light, but look, the guy is stable. My guys, from non-GPS drones, oh, the battery, well, it's 9 minutes, not bad. Look my friends, for non-GPS drones, this one and the S1S, very cool. Very cool. So goodbye girl and boys.